Let me tell you what to expect from Duke Harmon's workshop. You're going to be seeing a lot of woodworking projects, but you're also going to be seeing my focus on motivation through failure, persistency, and hard work. The name Duke Harmon came from my grandfather's name, Harmon J. Duco. Everybody called him Duke. He was a firefighter and became the chief of the Columbus Fire Department through hard work and persistency. He never did give up. My grandfather did always tell me that it didn't matter if I was to be a ditch digger, as long as I dug a good ditch. And that saying is carried along with me through life, and I try to apply it every day. So what you're going to be seeing is a ton of woodworking projects and a little bit of motivational inspiration along the way. I have failed in every aspect of my life. You name it, I've failed at it plenty of times. I do believe that failure is the only path to success. Remember that it's only an event, and it's not who you are, but it's what you do with it that will become who you are. Let's talk about fear. Everyone has it. I'm facing my fear right now just talking to you through this camera. I'm also facing my fear by putting my work out there. Fear of rejection. I'm gonna get rejected. I'm gonna fail. But it's okay. It's a learning experience for me. But it's all gonna be worth it if I can help one person change their life in a positive way. So I hope that you're all here to stay to help join me in motivating the world one person at a time. Thanks for stopping by the shop. I'll see you around.